All right. Okay, everybody, Ray Hayden here, and it's going to be an experimental video. This is the setup I have for the GoPro, and I have the preview mode. Notice that this is upside down because the camera's mounted upside down. In post-production, I will flip it to be upside right. And the grass you see out here is way too tall. And then this I cut the other day, and the reason why it's like not cut here and it is cut here, there's also a strip cut over here. And what happened is I was cutting the grass across the whole property on that mower, and it started to get drizzly a little bit. It started getting a little sprinkles, and then I said, nah, it's going to get real hard real fast, as it does in Central Florida. So I made this strip here, and I was going to cut this area of grass. It didn't get to that point to where I was able to keep cutting, so I made a pathway down there to the barn, and I was able to do that. All right, so